Hello guys, welcome to my channel Forever. Let's see tomorrow which stock could be the good stock for a intraday. So Canara Bank is the good stock I have selected for tomorrow's intraday purpose, which is the short selling. So before that, it's a disclaimer. I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, so make sure you know so your risk and reward. Okay, and all the best as well. So let's look into it. Why I have selected this Canara Bank. So I'm coming from top to bottom approach. So I've seen today's market was little in minus. So and then the biggest sector which is in minus is the PSU bank. In that PSU bank, Canara Bank is the one which fell down heavily. So there is a huge possibility tomorrow also it may fall down. Okay. So I have already plotted all the information here like entry, stop loss and exit. So if you see the trend, it's like a purely the trend is showing a downtrend. So, but there might be a slight recovery. So it may come near like 145, 146, which can be a possible good entry for a short selling. And if you see there is a good demand, there are few good supply zones in the past. So for stock, it will be very difficult to cross this supply and go up. So for that, I have kept 152 as a stop loss. And if you see the lower lows, so it is breaching lower lows. So there is a possibility tomorrow it may come around 140 to 142 range. So I've kept 142 as a decent target. So this is a fair analysis and hopefully it should follow the same pattern. So wish you all the best and make sure you know your stop loss in terms of INR, right? So make sure you know the loss and profit and then take a position. I wish you all the best.